Okay folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. What we have here is a 69 Coronet RT. Man, this thing is beautiful. I love this copper color, amber mist, whatever they call it. Look at that, won't you? Little Ram Charger hood on it. I love that hood. Lightweight aluminum wheels on it. And back a little bit here. Check out these side pods. A little paint chipping going on right there. That's too bad. RT. Oh, I love the tail end on these cars. Look at that. Bumblebee stripe across the back. A little bitty steering wheel in this thing. Good gracious. Interior is nicely done. This car's been restored. Automatic on the column. Other than a little boo-boo on the other side, this is a beautiful paint job. Nice. Let's have a sound system in here. Let's see what we're looking at. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's got a system under there. Probably got some stuff in the trunk. Nice, very nice. You like that, do you?
That ain't more.
What's that?
Power brake.
Oh, power brake. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. All right, folks. Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Check out the finish on this door panel. Little red accents. There's a better look at the stereo system there. Got the stock radio up here. I'm gonna turn you loose here. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Another swap meet guy is showing up. Let me walk over here and see what he's got. Hit that like button, folks, and hit that bell notification. That way you'll be notified. Up at the top, it's got a little bell. If you click on that, you'll get notified whenever I've got new videos coming out. All right, take care, folks.